I survived the endless cycle of failed diets and frustrating workouts. I spent countless hours trying to shed stubborn belly fat with little to show for it. But then, I discovered the power of targeted exercises and structured routines that transformed my body and mind. Here's how I got there. I built a morning and night routine that became the cornerstone of my success. My mornings started with a dynamic mix of bicycle crunches, leg raises, and planks. These exercises specifically targeted my core and helped me burn that unwanted belly fat. At night, I incorporated Russian twists and mountain climbers into my routine. The first few weeks were challenging. My body was sore, and progress felt slow. But I saved myself from quitting by setting small, achievable goals and tracking my progress meticulously. Noticeable results came not only physically but mentally as well. I got stronger, more energized, and felt a renewed sense of confidence. The key to my success was consistency and making adjustments as needed. Every day, I reminded myself of why I started and celebrated each small victory along the way. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. These exercises not only transformed my body but also improved my overall health and happiness. If you're ready to make a change, start by setting up a consistent routine. Track your progress and stay motivated by celebrating each milestone. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in description. And if you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Embrace the journey of creating successful morning and night routines. Your body and mind will thank you.